Hello there, let's learn Tagalog words with their simple tenses. Let's go! First Tagalog word, tulog. Tulog. English, sleep. Past tense, natulog. Natulog. English, slept. Present tense, natutulog. Natutulog. English, sleeping. Future tense, matulog or matutulog. Matulog or matutulog. Will sleep. Next word, kain. Kain. English, eat. Past tense, kumain. Kumain. English, eaten. Present tense, kumakain. Kumakain. English, eating. Future tense, kakain. Kakain. English, will eat. Next Tagalog word, lakad. Lakad. English, walk. Past tense, naglakad. Naglakad. English, walk. Present tense, naglalakad. Naglalakad. English, walking. Future tense, maglalakad. Maglalakad. English, will walk. Next Tagalog word, pahinga. Pahinga. English, rest. Past tense, nagpahinga. Nagpahinga. English, took rest. Present tense, nagpapahinga. Nagpapahinga. English, taking rest. Future tense, magpapahinga. Magpapahinga. English, will take rest. Next Tagalog word, iyak. Iyak. English, cry. Past tense, umiyak. Umiyak. English, cried. Present tense, umiiyak. Umiiyak. English, crying. Future tense, iiyak. Iiyak. English, will cry. Next Tagalog word, sayaw. Sayaw. English, dance. Past tense, sumayaw. Sumayaw. English, danced. Present tense, sumasayaw. Sumasayaw. English, dancing. Future tense, sasayaw. Sasayaw. English, will dance. Next Tagalog word, tulong. Tulong. English, help. Past tense, tinulungan. Tinulungan. English, helped. Present tense, tinutulungan. Tinutulungan. English, helping. Future tense, tutulungan. Tutulungan. English, will help. Next Tagalog word, kanta. Kanta. Sing. Past tense, kumanta. Kumanta. English, sang. Present tense, kumakanta. Kumakanta. English, singing. Future tense, kakanta. kakanta. English, will sing. Next Tagalog word, usapan. Usapan. English, talk. Past tense, kinausap. Kinausap. English, talk. Present tense, kinakausap. Kinakausap. English, talking. Future tense, kakausapin. Kakausapin. English, will talk. Next Tagalog word, inom. Inom. English, drink. Past tense, uminom. Uminom. English, drunk. Present tense, umiinom. Umiinom. English, drinking. Future tense, iinom. Iinom. English, will drink. Next Tagalog word, hawakan. Hawakan. Touch. Past tense, hinawakan. Hinawakan. English, touch. Present tense, hinahawakan. Hinahawakan. English, touching. Future tense, hahawakan. Hahawakan. English, will touch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like the video.